Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another amazing video. You guys, this one's for kids or yourself. Let's get into this video. So fam, we have a stick and a half of Imperial, right? Because that's what I like to use, Imperial. Because it got the salt that I like. And I just want to, have that saltiness. Now I'm going to brown this butter, right? Because the more browner the butter is, it becomes nutty. You know what I'm saying? It just, I don't know, it just gives me that taste, that bite, right? So if you first time viewer, thank you. And if you're a rider, thank you a lot. I really appreciate it. Thumbs this video up. If you're not subscribed, what you waiting on? Over here, you never know what I'm gonna cook up or even bring. Okay, so anyway, you guys, so I've been trying to do this Rice Krispie video for the longest. Now, like I say, this is a treat for the kids, okay? For the kids, okay? But I eat Rice Krispies, but I'm not a lover of it, right? But, hey, anything to please the grandson and the little granddaughter, I want them to have a healthy snack, right? Well, is it healthy? I'm going to say it is, but anywho, it saves money as well. So, we got the big marshmallows. When we started out, we only had the small ones, right? But I like marshmallows by themselves, right? So, your girl kind of like indulged in them. So we wound up going to the store and I found the bigger marshmallows. So let me go ahead and melt this butter, and I'm gonna cook it down to the brownness that I want. Okay guys, so as you can tell, to me that's like a nuttiness that you see around the surface area, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So now we're gonna add us some marshmallows in this, right? Now, don't ask me, I ain't never did this recipe before, but my grandson wanted it. Is that too many marshmallows? I don't know. But anywho, we're going to go ahead and we're going to stir this around, right? Because now we want to just get it all up in there. Oh, yeah. Now, he wanted this recipe, because every time we go to the store, he always get the Rice Krispie treats, right? So, come on, gotta put an end to that. We gotta put an end to that. Okay? So, it's just a simple recipe. 1, 2, 3. And then you smooth it out and you let it cool down. Right? So, y'all tell me, how am I doing in the comments, right? Be fair with me, but please be honest, okay? Be fair with me, y'all. Oh, yeah. I'm going to turn this down a little bit because I had it on medium high. Now I got it on medium low, okay? It looks good, right? So now I'm finna add my Rice Krispies. Now I'm turning this off, right? We're going to add us some Rice Krispies up in here. Right? Y'all think that's enough? You think that's enough? I don't know, y'all. Let's go ahead and we're going to gently bring that around. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that? Oh, we cooking that, baby. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, y'all think I'm good enough to sell this? Go tell a friend what Miss Jones is doing on her child. Oh, y'all, look at that. I done it. Yes, and I eyeballed it because it's really not no steps to this. Now, if you like Rice Krispie treats, now, I'm going to go ahead and put a little more because I want it to be really nutty, right? We're going to put these Rice Krispies up because, see, I might get carried away, right? I might get carried away, y'all. But we're going to put a little more just to be on the safe side. Oh, yes. Yes. There we go. We got it. Okay, now we got to transfer this into our pan, right? So let's transfer it. Okay, so we have transferred it. Now, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to put a light, I guess, even it out, right? We're going to even it out. You don't want to press too downwards. Now you can add M&M's to this. You can add, what is it? Fruity Pebbles. You know, you can add whatever you like on here. And we just gonna do it just like that, right? Now, I know some of y'all might say, well, where's your parchment paper? I don't know. I don't cook with that, okay? I'm from the old school, okay? Our ancestors didn't have parchment paper, at least where I came from, okay? We just, you know, did what we had to do as far as non-stick or whatever. But anywho, we're going to let this cool off for approximately probably like 30 minutes. Or just a tad longer, but then we're going to come back and we're going to cut it. So, fam, we have came to the point. We're going to look at this delicious. Yes, you guys, look at all of this deliciousness. Now, this is a perfect treat for the kids because I want to go ahead and get them a recipe that I created. Look at that gooiness right there. Look at that pour, y'all. Y'all see that pour? Okay, but anywho, let's go ahead get us a plate. Okay, so guys, we got our plate. Let's go ahead. Okay. That's our Rice Krispie. Let's move it over for a second because I want to show you guys this pour. Look at this. Yes, look at that. Now, it's definitely chewy. You guys, that is so delicious, fam. I did that on purpose. Just show y'all the chef in me. Okay? So y'all go and tell a friend what I did over here on this channel. I'm going to put that over there. And I'm going to let this go on and finish cooling. Because I got to get ready to go, y'all. I got other business to take care of. But until then, if you want Rice Krispie treats, do them at home, easy recipe, you guys, you better go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come join your girl, because you never know what I might show you, bring to you, give you ideas for dinner, lunch, or even brunch, if you want to call it that. But until then, you guys, hit that subscribe button. Come on in. Make sure that the notification bell is up. And I'll see you guys on the next video. So I'm going to close out and say bye-bye. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.